morning on Monday Mantra. As an elder of the profession, I've always been approached by youngsters to find out what conferences they should be attending, which lecture in a conference they should sit for, what pre-conference courses they should subscribe for, and what product they should be buying. So if the question is what sort of conference you should be attending, I would say that you should be able to identify your core interests. For example, if you think that you need to learn more about restorative dentistry, then choose a conference which is offering you keynote lectures by experts in the field of restorative dentistry. If you feel that you are more surgically inclined, then you should choose a pre-conference course which offers you suturing techniques, bone grafting techniques, or even third molar extraction surgical designs. If you feel that your interest is endodontics, then choose a lecture, a course, a hands-on, or even to witness a live procedure of retrieval of broken instruments or whatever you may desire. At the end of the day, you need to attend conferences to bring home value points into your practices. On a Monday morning when you get back to your clinics, you will try to incorporate all the learnings from the conference. You'll also probably reach out to your mentor, the person who has taught you some tricks and trades of practices in that discipline, and try to reach out to him after you perform some home tasks, which will truly be very rewarding for you when you attend a conference or take a particular course. When it comes to picking up materials, I think it's a good idea to understand how much is your workload and what is your inventory related to reorders. Try not to stack up your cupboards with materials. I've done that in the past where I just picked up materials at random, not even used them, and they've approached their expiry date. So a good idea would be to ensure what you need into your practice, do a good study, and then get on to the exhibitions, see what's on offer, and then buy them and use them into your practices. So much for conferences, courses, and trade exhibitions. There are a lot of them lined up over the next few weeks all over the country. Take your pick, book your seat, and make the best for your practices. Thank you.